keeps turning down the volume on Poco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. So click power button and volume up button. Restart phone. After restart, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and turn off media volume limit. After turn off media volume limit, go back and check software update. Click on additional settings, click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting. Media DRM settings, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, click on settings app and click on about phone. Scroll down and click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, click on more connectivity options and click on reset settings and click on reset all settings. After click on reset setting, you will see a problem is solved. Go back to home screen. So that's how you can keeps turning down the volume on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.